Hey everyone, and welcome to my wacky world. And today's video is a special video because this video is as per the request of you guys. Many of my friends has requested me to do a video for the comparison between two of the foundations which are available in Indian drugstore market. Okay, these two foundations are is Lakme Fit Me foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and Lakme 9 to 5 फ्लॉलेस मेकअप फाउंडेशन. इन दोनों में लोगों को, लेडीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन रहती है कि ये लें या ये लें. सो आई वांटेड टू डू दिस वीडियो सो दैट with the help of this video, it might be that you are able to make a decision, you are able to compare the two of the foundations, and it might be that you would be able to select the best one for your skin type. So yes, without further delay, let's get started. So first I'll talk about the packaging. The Fit Me foundation comes in this tube like the glass bottle, and Lakme 9 to 5 comes in this cylindrical kind of bottle. The main difference in the packaging is that 9 to 5 has this pump on top of it, जिससे आप अपना फाउंडेशन जो कितना लिमिट का आपने फाउंडेशन लेना है वो लिमिट ले कर सकते हैं, whereas the Fit Me foundation is without any pump. So there is no pump on this, which makes it little messy while using it. This is my observation. Okay, and now talking about the affordability price, that is the price for Fit Me foundation is 525 rupees for 30 ml of product, and price of 9 to 5 Lakme 9 to 5 is 575 rupees for 30 ml of product. दोनों की ही इस द डिटेल्स जो पीछे दिए होते हैं, यहाँ पे सारे एक्सपायरी डेट और वो अवेलेबल रहता है दोनों की पैकेजिंग में. एंड सो दिस वाज the price and the packaging for both the foundation. Let's come on directly on to the application of the foundation. So to check the the blend, किस तरह से ये blend होते हैं हमारी skin में, let me go ahead and do the blending on my face. On this side of the face I would be using Fit Me foundation, and on this side of the face I would be using Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. So yeah, let's get started. In Fit Me foundation, first let me tell you about the shades also, availability of the shades in both the foundation. In Maybelline Fit Me foundation, there are 6 shades available. So you can choose in the range of 6 shades in Fit Me foundation, whereas in Lakme 9 to 5 foundation only 3 shades are available. The shades which are available in Lakme 9 to 5 foundation are shell. It's shell, marble and pearl. Pearl being for the fair skin, and marble for the wheatish skin tone, and shell as in for the darker skin tone. And whereas in this Fit Me foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the shades available are 6 shades available रहते हैं इसमें, and the name of the 6 shades are Ivory, Warm Nude, Natural Buff, Sun Beige, Toffee and Warm Honey. मैं अपने फ़ोन से पढ़ते ही आपको बता रही हूँ इस टाइम. Okay, so these are the 6 shades which are available in Fit Me range, which is like you can choose from these shades which is your skin shade, and you can choose accordingly. So yes, coming on to the texture and blendability of both the products, let me go ahead and apply Fit Me foundation first on this side of my face. I have a shade 115, that is Ivory, in Fit Me foundation. So I would be taking a little bit on my hand. So yes, ये ओपन, इसका जो ये ओपन रहता है उसकी वजह से यू कांट लिमिट, आप लिमिट नहीं कर सकते हो कि कितना आए. कभी कभी ज़्यादा भी आ जाता है, और वो जो पूरा माउथ पे लग जाता है उसके, दैट मेक्स इट रियली मेसी. सो लेट मी अप्लाई दिस फाउंडेशन ऑल ओवर माई फेस. and neck area. Right now, like before applying this foundation, I didn't have any thing on my face. It was any kind of makeup I was not wearing. I am only wearing kajal and lipstick, so like this. So can you see the blendability of this foundation? It gets absorbed by your skin in just like this, you know, like gets absorbed like this. And see how nicely it has gone inside my skin, and the coverage is awesome. It's nice coverage, very बहुत ही अच्छा medium to high coverage जो है Fit Me foundation का है. Okay, and let me go ahead and have the Lakme one on the other side. So yes, the pump thing makes it very easier for the foundation to have the limited access. So yes, now I would be applying. It has got that you know, typical Lakme fragrance in this Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. So here also you can see that it is like quite blendable, and it's again absorbed very nicely by my skin. So yes, like this. Both the foundation are extremely blendable. They are extremely absorbed by your skin within, like this. So yes, regarding the staying power, both of the foundation stays on your skin for a decent time of 6 to 7 hours. उससे ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन मुझे नहीं लगता कि हम लोग अपनी स्किन पे अलाउ करते ही हैं. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू योर ऑफिस, इफ़ यू आर ऑफिस गोइंग पर्सन, देन it's like very obvious that you know, once you will come back from your office, you will wash your face. So it remains on your skin for around decent time, 6 to 7 hours, both the foundation, Fit Me as well as Lakme. Regarding the coverage, the Fit Me has got more coverage than Lakme 9 to 5. Fit Me का coverage जो है medium to high coverage है, whereas Lakme is like medium to sheer coverage foundation है. Comparison of you know, the dry patches, I don't find dry patches in both of them. दोनों ही साइड ड्राई पैचेस जो है वो नहीं आए हैं, बहुत ही ईजिली एब्जॉर्ब हो गया है हमारी स्किन के साथ में बोथ द फाउंडेशंस. एंड या रिगार्डिंग I think both of them, they have nice blendability. And yeah, that's it. और हमें फाउंडेशन में क्या चाहिए होता है? कवरेज एंड ब्लेंडेबिलिटी. एंड yeah, that's it. So I hope you know आपको ये कंपैरिजन जो है वो अच्छा लगा होगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू you know add over here, both of them are buildable. आप जितना buildable करना चाहो आप कर सकते हो according to your choice. And considering the climate which is there in Mumbai, sometimes I feel that जब मैं Maybelline Fit Me foundation apply करती हूँ, it gives me that kind of you know sweaty kind of feeling, whereas Lakme 9 to 5 matte में वो sweaty feeling नहीं होती है. It's like extremely matte, very beautifully blendable and very extremely matte. So only for those humid days I would prefer Lakme 9 to 5 foundation to be on my skin rather than Fit Me foundation, because this somehow gives me that sweaty kind of thing which I really don't like. So I hope I have covered all the points for you know the difference between both the foundation. So आप ये सब जो डिफरेंस के पॉइंट्स हैं वो आप देखकर इन दोनों के बीच में चॉइस कर सकते हैं। लिमिटेड शेड्स हैं लैक्मी 9to5 में, वेयरएज फिटमी मेबेलिन फिटमी में दे हैव 6 शेड्स, आप 6 शेड्स में चूज़ कर सकते हैं। इफ़ आई हैव टू मेक अ चॉइस, आई लव बोथ ऑफ देम आर very close to my heart, but if I have to compare between both of them, I love to wear Lakme 9to5 more than Fit Me foundation. Fit Me foundation I use only if I'm going to some parties or get together and parties, whereas for daily wear I love to wear 9to5 foundation. So yes, I hope I have covered all the point of difference between both the foundations, so it would be easier for you to select between Maybelline Fit Me foundation and Lakme 9to5 foundation. अगर आपको फिर भी लगता है कि मैंने कोई पॉइंट कवर नहीं किया है तो वो आप मुझे कमेंट्स में नीचे पूछ सकते हैं. I would be more than happy to answer all your questions regarding both the foundations. If you want a separate video for the review of both the foundation or any of the foundation of your choice, do let me know in the comment section. So yes, I hope you have liked the video, and please, if you have liked the video, do go ahead and share the video with your friends who love to do makeup as we do, and subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell button so that whenever I'll upload the video you'll get the notification of that as well, and like the video as well. So that's it for now girls. Be happy, be fashionable and मेकअप करते रहिए, और मेरे वीडियोस को प्लीज़ लाइक करते रहिए और सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए. That's it for now. Have a good day. Bye girls.